Yeah, we out in Harlem right now. Just left the park over here. And so I had to get right real quick. Had a cool park down there. Going up these steps. I never even came up this way before. See what's going on over here. Harlem. It's low key lit up here. Been all through Harlem. Never knew it was like a thing over here. I'm up there. You see this shit. You heard? Motherfucking top of the world, nigga. Like Rocky Balboa, nigga. Off these stairs, nigga. Shitting me? Are you kidding me? Shit, ew. Look at this. I knew this was up here. Yeah. This little tower shit right here. Then you could go down to on this side. Go down on that side. Shit low key lit. Yeah. Harlem from the top. This shit. Surprised you don't be having no events up here. Oh. State building right there. Shit right here in the park. This is Mount Morris Park. Mount Morris Park in Harlem. Swaganese Travels, we back outside with it. Just came to tune into the park and shit. You know what I mean? What's going on? Passing through. Yeah. Stumbled the paw on this shit. Like, this the hood. That's a hood. Yeah. We never even be up here. Like, nobody even knew this is up here. Even as a kid, I never been up here. And I'm sure this shit been here. Got the stage down there. What's up, Jay? That shit low key lit. And they got a. Oh yeah, Mount Morris. Yeah, Mount Morris got the pool, right? I'm sure it's probably a little dingy and shit, so niggas ain't gonna wanna really be in there. But they definitely got a pool. They got a stage right here. This is this. Kind of went up there. I was up there. There y'all, Mount Morris Park. Want to check in. It's not like a major episode or nothing. I'm just showing y'all the park since I was coming through here. But they got the pool right here. So it's some cool festive things to do in this one park. You know what I'm saying? Summertime vibes. Right now it's a little winter, so it's a little quiet out here, but shit lit, low key. Right? I need to go get some water and shit. Get dehydrated out here. Look. I got that side blocked off. It's a cool park. Cool park. Nice and quiet right now. Nobody even over here. Everybody just probably walking their dogs. Most action you're gonna get out here right now. But I just came from all the way up there. Like all the way at the top. So yeah, I think they call it Mount Morris Park out here in Harlem. Yeah, they. And they got the workout park over there. There's a lot of the famous guys that do the workout thing out here in Harlem and shit. They be hitting up the park over here. So yeah. PGs. This is right in the center of Harlem, pretty much, like 5th Avenue. I mean, those of you that's from Harlem, y'all would know. But for those of you that's not from Harlem, this is Mount Morris Park. There it's like 125th Street, 5th Avenue area. Oh shit. I'm like, yo, why is all these squirrels running at me? Because the dog was chasing them. The dog chasing all the squirrels up that tree right there. It was like 10 squirrels running towards me. I thought I was about to get jumped by squirrels. And look, Harlem is nice though. This building right here, whatever this is, a mosque, a church, shit low key fire right here. Right? That's a different type of building right here in Harlem. I ain't never seen this. Gotta be like a mosque or something. I think it's a church. It gotta be like a mosque. 122nd and Mount Morris Park, yeah. Look at this. This looks like some real ancient shit that you probably see. I don't know, maybe in Europe, definitely. You won't see too much of this out here. Hold on. Yeah, this building right here is different. All the cars parked up over here. They get the double park over here and all that shit. Double decker buses. Oh nah, I'm in the street. I'm wilding. But look at this. This is fire. Let's see what it is. Maybe they doing some type of movie or something over here. Something's going on. We got that going on over there. Mount Morris. Same shit. Oh, this is a church. Presbyterian church. So Mount Morris Park is right over there, y'all. So that's like basically on the crevices of East Harlem and regular Harlem. You know what I mean? West Harlem. Mount Morris Park right here. And most people that live over here probably not gonna even. I know I never went down that little detour I just took y'all. I never quite went that far into the park. But yeah, we're on 122nd Street. Mount Morris Park right there. 122nd Street, Mount Morris Park. But basically you can just get to 5th Avenue and it's like, you walk over to Mount Morris Park from there. Yeah, it's a cool day though. Definitely a cool day. What else could I do? Let me see, where I'm at. We're on... I feel like doing a little detour. No cap. I feel like making a little move, a little detour. Without doing too much. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Go get something to drink and go to the store. Harlem. I ain't got my tripod either. So I'm doing this freehand. Freehand it through Harlem. No stick. Yeah, they got something going on over here at the church. It's Thursday. Yeah, they got the lights and all that going on. Concert, movie, something. So yeah, y'all. Swaganese Travels in the building. Moving through. I just had to go to the DMV and shit. Take the CDL, like, pass one, fail one. But I'm not mad because I got to see what I need to see. And there was a lot of questions on it that I didn't come across when I was doing my studies, my study guides and stuff like that, doing the practice quizzes on online. So I'm glad I was able to see it, you know what I'm saying? Because initially, you know, I knew the information, but it was just like certain trick questions that they trick you up with to throw you off. So they got me, but we're not gonna stop until we get that shit. So basically, you know, again, I passed one and failed one. So it's a win-win for me. Dude, Dave. Gotta get up and do it again. That's all. That's the lesson. Only lessons, man. No failures, just lessons. Gotta learn. So just gotta pay more attention to the detail on this next study round, you know what I'm saying? And look for some of those questions that I was coming across on the test that I wasn't familiar with. So we come across those and I'll be out. Pass this next one. I'm going right back to Harlem. But yeah, we back in Harlem though. And that's what brought me this way. News with y'all. Swaganese Travels that be paying attention to my channel. We got a lot of cool shit right here. A lot of restaurants and a lot of cool stuff going on here in Harlem now. Yep. That's another cool church here. I think that's a Seventh-day Adventist church right there on the corner. 123rd Street and 7th Avenue. Actually, Lenox Avenue. Yeah. And this is Rice High School. If you guys are familiar with Rice, this is Rice High School. The basketball team Rice. At least it used to be. I'm not sure if it's still Rice. But this is definitely the building with the original Rice. For all the basketball players, all the NBA niggas, y'all know. Rice basketball. Right here in Harlem, 124. Then they got the shit right here. Whole Foods, all that. They brought the whole building, you heard? all of it. She low-key lit in Harlem right now. Yeah. They got the food trucks right here. Stop in this deli real quick, give me something to drink. Deli look alright. Alright, bro. Store alright right here. This on 25th and Lenox, by the train station, by the 2 train. Let me get off of this road.